new concerns from the brother-in-law of a former Oklahoma judge.
He just pleaded guilty to shooting up the brother-in-law's home, but he won't spend any time in prison for it. We've been following the case against former Garfield County Judge Brian Lovell for almost 2 years now. News 4's John Hayes tells us why the brother-in-law feels Lovell got special treatment.
You know, there are still clear signs here left behind from this years-old crime. You're seeing this bullet hole in a window, but still, after so long, mixed feelings about this finally being over.
But basically, if he follows the restrictions, he's a prisoner in his own home.
Kenneth Marks describes it as a fitting end to a crime that his brother-in-law, former Garfield County Judge Brian Lovell, has now admitted to, and nearly cost his son Jake, who was inside at the time, his life.
When a strange vehicle drives down one of these roads, we watch it pretty close.
It's trauma from a 2023 drive-by shooting. Lovell now admitting to driving by Marks's house, pulling out a gun, and leaving behind bullet holes. No one was hurt, and the case went unsolved until Lovell was arrested in connection to another drive-by shooting in Austin, Texas, the same year. In both cases, Lovell blamed dementia. He resigned last year.
There's going to be a lot of scars from this for a long time.
News 4 obtained these court documents saying Friday Lovell pleaded guilty to the crime, subject to conditions of a plea agreement with the state avoiding a trial. For the next 20 years, Lovell can't drive a car, own a gun, or practice law. He also has restrictions on drug use and can't drink. He must attend AA meetings and work out plans for his mental health. He must stay at least a mile away from the Marks family and their home. If he can follow the rules, he won't be spending any time in prison. Jake Marks shared his victim impact statement with us, saying in part, quote, "The defendant, having expressed no remorse or apology, should be grateful for the lenience of this court, as the penalty holds little effect to a near-retirement senior." Do you think if he wasn't a former judge in this case, the outcome would have been the same?
I feel like it would have been a little different.
In a statement to News 4, Attorney General Gentner Drummond's office says, quote, "Given the facts of the case and mitigating factors, we believe the sentence is in the best interest of justice."
It will surprise me if he can follow all the restrictions and stay out of prison. But I hope he's learned that he shouldn't come out here anymore.
In Garfield County, John Hayes, Oklahoma's News 4.
All right, John. And John also tried contacting Lovell's attorney but didn't hear back. John also looked into those current Texas charges as well today. There will be a hearing on that next month.